Barnaby Button, a badger with spectacles perched precariously on his nose, wasn't your average badger. He preferred stargazing to digging and composing whimsical poems to chasing grubs. His best friend, Pipkin, a squirrel with a perpetually twitching tail and an insatiable curiosity, found this utterly delightful. One particularly star-speckled night, while Barnaby was reciting a poem about a moon cricket's serenade, Pipkin spotted something extraordinary. A shimmering, pearlescent tear, larger than a goose egg, rolled down the whispering willow, landing with a gentle plop in the dew-kissed grass. "Barnaby, Barnaby," Pipkin squeaked, his tail practically vibrating off his body. "Look!" Intrigued, Barnaby adjusted his spectacles. The tear pulsed with a soft, inner light, and as they watched, it began to unfurl, revealing a tiny, exquisitely crafted boat, no bigger than Barnaby's thumb. Inside, nestled amongst spun gold cushions, sat a miniature figure, a girl with hair like spun moonlight and eyes like sparkling amethysts. She introduced herself as Luna, a star child, lost from her celestial home. A mischievous gust of wind had swept her away from her starship, leaving her stranded in the whispering willow's branches. "I need to get back home," Luna whispered, her voice like the tinkling of wind chimes. "But my star compass is broken." Barnaby, despite his bookish nature, felt a surge of bravery. "Don't worry, Luna," he declared, puffing out his chest. "Pipkin and I will help you." Their journey began. They needed to find 3 shimmering moonstones, one hidden within the grumpy gnome's fortress, one guarded by a family of mischievous sprites, and one nestled in the heart of a sleeping giant's snoring cavern. The grumpy gnome, surprisingly, was won over by Barnaby's heartfelt poem about the beauty of twilight. He grumbled a bit, but eventually handed over his moonstone. The mischievous sprites, however, proved trickier. They challenged Pipkin to a game of hide and seek amongst the shimmering willow branches, their laughter echoing through the forest. Pipkin, despite his initial nervousness, used his sharp wit and quick reflexes to win, earning them the 2nd moonstone. The sleeping giant posed the biggest challenge. His snores shook the very earth, and the air throbbed with the vibrations. Barnaby, however, remembered a lullaby his grandmother used to sing, a melody so soothing it could lull even the fiercest beast to sleep. He hummed it softly, and gradually, the giant's snores subsided, allowing them to safely retrieve the final moonstone from his cavern. With the 3 moonstones secured, they returned to Luna. Barnaby carefully placed the stones on her broken compass, and a soft, ethereal glow filled the tiny boat. The compass spun, pointing towards a shimmering path in the night sky. As Luna prepared to depart, she looked at Barnaby and Pipkin, her amethyst eyes filled with gratitude. "Thank you," she whispered. "Your kindness and courage have shown me the brightest stars in the whole universe. I will always remember you." With a final, shimmering wave, Luna sailed away towards the stars, leaving a trail of glittering stardust in her wake. Barnaby and Pipkin watched until she disappeared, their hearts filled with warmth. They returned to their cozy burrow, exhausted but content. Barnaby, usually content with his quiet life, realized that even the most bookish badger could find extraordinary adventures. And Pipkin, his tail still twitching with excitement, knew that true friendship could conquer even the most daunting challenges. The next day, Barnaby wrote a new poem, this one inspired by his adventure, titled The Star Child's Journey. It was a tale of bravery, kindness, and friendship, a testament to their incredible night. And every night, before they went to sleep, Barnaby and Pipkin would look up at the sky, searching for Luna's twinkling star, a reminder of their remarkable adventure and a symbol of their enduring friendship. Many moons later, a letter arrived, carried by a friendly owl. It was from Luna, and it contained a tiny, exquisitely carved wooden star, a token of her everlasting gratitude. The star became a treasured possession, a symbol of their adventure, a reminder that even the smallest creatures can achieve extraordinary things when they work together, and that kindness and courage are the brightest stars in the universe. Barnaby and Pipkin continued their adventures, always ready for the unexpected, their hearts open to kindness, and their spirits soaring with the boundless wonder of the world around them. They learned that true friendship, coupled with courage and honesty, could light up even the darkest nights and guide them towards the most incredible discoveries. And every night, as they gazed at the stars, they remembered their journey with Luna, the star child, a journey that had taught them more about themselves and the world than any book ever could. Their tale became a legend in their forest, a heartwarming story passed from generation to generation, a reminder that even the smallest act of kindness can create the biggest ripples of magic. Their story reminded everyone that bravery isn't about size or strength, but about the size of your heart and the strength of your spirit, and that friendship, like the stars, shines brightly, guiding the way through life's darkest nights and lighting the path to extraordinary adventures.